Why don't you do your feet toe tap thing again? You see that? You're an actual move.
Yeah, I know, with her arms like that. I know.
Where'd she get that from?
I don't know. Look at that. Good job. Ivy is such a dancer. She's going to grow up and be a dancer. Look, it's slow music, so she slows down. We've got to get her in dance class. Since we don't exactly know when we're moving, we should go ahead and try to do it, you know? Okay. What in the... You break it to dancing. It's a fast song, dance.
Fast song.
Ivy, quit hitting it and dance.